Hi everyone, welcome back to today's Morning Report Chart Appraisals on Wednesday the 4th of November with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen, and we are still range bound, stuck in this sort of 120 spot 15 up towards 121.50 range that we've been in for the last week and a half. No real sign yet of breaking out from that range, but you've had a couple of positive days in a row, and you've actually now got a third as we stand, about 24 ticks up on the day, which is about 0.2%. So not a massive amount. You can tell that it doesn't take too much on the upside to actually give you a positive day in this chart, but still, you're not really getting too much signal yet of a break higher. You're still holding on to sort of positive-ish momentum on the stochastics, although the MACD lines are pretty much neutral. RSI is not too bad either, but you're still within this band, and trading in this band is interesting because what we have got now is this move up towards the top of the band. You've got this series of higher lows in the past few days, but look at these momentum indicators. RSI negative divergence. Let me get the line going there. Negative divergence on the RSI with those highs. You've got the MACD lines, MACD histogram showing a negative divergence. Those lines there, and also the MACD lines which are falling away, and also the stochastics. So we've got pretty much across the board on the hourly chart momentum indicators which are sort of still falling away. And that leads me to think that the impetus to the upside is maybe limited. And not only that, you're not too far away now from the resistance again, around 121.50. And that, obviously, the big resistance comes in at 121.70, but 121.50 is the sort of near-term big resistance. And the fact that you're not too far away from that with these declining momentum indicators might suggest that it could be not too far away from a bit of profit taking. So you'd be looking out for, I think, the support initially at that 120.90 area, which is that reaction low there overnight, although arguably you'd say more of an interesting pivot level is sort of around the sort of 120.80 level, which was the old resistance here. Should be new support. So maybe a break below 120.80 would confirm the loss of this move. So it's about 40-50 ticks away from where we are now, but still could still be seeing a bit of a rolling effect on this, considering the momentum indicators on the hourly chart are sort of falling away. Still range bound, so until you see that move or close above 120.50, I think you're going to hold on to this range bound effect. But just interesting that the hourly chart is showing a little bit of a possible correction coming through, so watch out for that. But I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later, I think.